It's a 6-strand core, so if you want to do a Mad Max type, you could refer to my 6-strand core Mad Max bracelet, or you could use a buckle with 6. I'm showing you how to basically just do the knot. It's the same thing for all the other bracelets I've done. This one is an independent core and the independent weave, so it'll work on anything. All right, so the first thing I do is that I grab the cord, I pull it out through A and through E, and I even it out. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do is grab my left cord, and remember I'm still in hurricane mode, so I have no power and I'm losing daylight fairly quick. So let's go. Left cord, go under and out through A. And this is a rig that, of course, innovative Andrew came up with. It's perfect for me doing tutorials. So I'm going to be using this a lot. I already showed you how to do the setups. Now I'm going to grab the left cord. I'm going to go down D and back out through A. In his original bracelet, he does it with an 8-strand core. Same concept. You could leave then 2 strings for each one. Okay, so I came out through A. Now I'm going to grab my right cord. I'm going to go loop around, out through E, down through B, and out through E again. It's gonna look something like, hang on, this. So tighten up a little bit, pull here and tighten it up, push it up, and now that's our first knot. Let's do a couple more so you can see. Grab the left cord. I'm gonna go over and under and out through A, and I'm gonna go with my left cord down through D and out through A. I don't have much charge on the laptop, so I'm going to do this as fast as possible. Once again, this is what the knot looks like. Get it close to here, pull, get it up, and try to keep these lines straight. That's the whole concept of the bone method that Andrew came up with. Well, keep it straight. All right, now we grab our right cord. We go over, under, and out through E. We're gonna go down through B, under the core, and out through E. Once again, I'm going to show you one more time how the knot is. It's like that. Okay, so we tighten up, get this close to the top, and remember what I told you, try to keep this straight. Okay, let's do one more. Go over and out through A, down through D, I'm doing a little bit lower, and out through A. Okay, now we pull. Up in the top. Okay, keep it straight and tighten up. Let's do one more with the right cord. We're going to go over and out through E, down through B, and out through E. Now we start pulling the cord. Okay, and remember, keep this line straight. This cord, you want it really straight for the bone effect. Okay guys, that's basically the Wide Spine. It's by Andrew, and I'll have his link where you could search for him and follow his great work. He came up with this jig. It's fantastic. I call it the monster jig. And like I told you, I'm going to be using it more for tutorials. I'll set up separate videos for setting up the cords, but for individual core and individual weave, this is what I'm going to use to teach. If I have it where it's all combined in one, then I'll use my other jig. All right, take care and have fun.